Good afternoon, friends in Rec Well. It is always so much fun to crash into your staff meetings, and I'm here today to present an SLISU Award. So today I am just honored, Brian, to award you the SLISU Award. First of all, I am just thrilled to hear a little bit about your story. You started as an undergraduate student and you realized this was the life for you. I understand that you're serving in your reservations role, and over the last year, really knocked it out of the park in terms of meeting the needs of Purdue, of our students, and in managing the COVID virus. As you know, more than probably any of us, the COVID year was quite, let's just say, lots of zigs and zags as we sought to manage and sought to do what we needed to do to keep Purdue open, to keep our students educated, and as well to provide the best sets of experiences that we could for our students during the difficult time. So a few of the things that were noted really was your work in managing all of the different demands being placed in the RecWell world, trying to help with all things Protect Purdue. This tied into doing the game zones, it tied into supporting the flu clinics and the COVID testing decisions that were managed through RecWell, and really just working through all of these details as we, as a campus, tried to figure out how to do things to move things forward. Also, you were noted for just kind of jumping on with the union and helping them out with the watch parties, just figuring out how in the world do we cordon off 6-foot distance on a place like Slater Hill or Memorial Mall, for example. And you had it figured out and helped them out, and really just helped not just the set of experiences taking place in RecWell, but also through PMU and really the division as a whole to navigate through and to help our students be successful.
You know, being a Boilermaker grad and knowing that this award kind of is rewarding those who are contributing so much, being recognized as that, it's very, very much an honor.
Brian is my go-to guy. He always has a smile on his face. He's always excited to help with whatever you need. Knows the answer to everything. People come to me and say, hey, Abby, we need this thing. And I'm always like, go find Brian, he'll know, because he's been here way longer than I have. But he just, to me, embodies like what a Purdue Boilermaker is.
You gotta make sure you give back to those who helped you. And I had so many people here when I was a student help me get through. So, you know, being able to contribute back to the university that gave so much to me is a great honor. And then I work with a great team. So being able to help them out and keep things moving along, you know, having fun while we work. That's all things that just motivate me to keep going and, you know, give it my all.